Hi everybody, we are the Nherera clan. We are from Rome,
Italy.
Guys, we've been in this beautiful city since December 2020 due to work reasons. But at the core, we know and believe that God has got a divine purpose, an eternal purpose why He brought us to the city. So we are available to see what He wants to do in and through us. So we are from East London, from Stirling Worship Centre, a 412 partnering church led by Stef and Julia Davi. We were home group leaders and deacons in the church, and really excited to see what God wants to do in Rome.
Yeah, so we really experienced just such a life and heart for Christ that we never ever felt or experienced before whilst we were in this New Testament church. So we really wanting to carry that heart and that DNA here into Rome. So would you please partner with us? Would you pray with us? Would you just trust God to break out and use us in whichever way He sees fit? We really have it in our hearts to start a home group. So please pray with us if you feel led to come to Rome to join us, or if you have people that you know that are in Rome that are looking for something real, genuine and authentic. We are here, we are available. So please stand with us in prayer.
Yes, guys, we're looking forward to seeing some of you in Rome soon. Bye.
Bye.